Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bitcoin Case and I am excited today to show you my #1 crypto earning site. It's been very hot for me lately and this is all with no referrals, and it's a site that we have already reviewed once before. This is an update on Buxify. Why am I so excited about Buxify? Well, first of all, they've given us more earnings opportunities with more offer walls. I've found huge survey opportunities, getting fast payouts, all from Buxify. How did we earn 89,000 Satoshi in just over a half an hour? Here you can see on screen, I've highlighted the amounts and the times and dates, and you can see exactly what I earned and how fast I was able to do so. And as we showed in our review of Buxify, they do have 8 different crypto coins to withdraw in, so you can earn in a hurry here and withdraw in probably one of your favorite coins as they have listed there. I've been cashing out in Bitcoin to my Coinbase account. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and like the video. So here we are on our home screen of Buxify, and before we go any further, we're going to go ahead and start a survey that I already completed down in the right hand corner of the screen there. That way you can see how fast this actually works. So here, as you see on my dashboard, I have maxed out to level 100, and so that gives me on every single offer I do a 67.3% bonus. And also during the month of September until the end of the month, there's also another 40% bonus. So currently, until the end of the month, I will receive 107% bonus on any offers that I complete. Here we'll go ahead and just do the hourly gift, our faucet claim. This again is once hourly. You'll just have to solve a CAPTCHA, and the amount that you can claim varies, and the maximum will go up as you level up. So we'll go ahead and claim. As you can see, 18 BXT and some experience points, which don't really help as we are leveled out to the max. And after you claim for the first time or complete an offer every day, you'll want to click the loyalty reward and get yourself some more BXT. See, I've logged in 28 days in a row. This goes up every single day. As you can see in the lower right corner, we're just zooming along in the survey there, and you'll get a chance to see when that is complete and how long it took us, as well as what we will earn for completing that particular survey. It's pretty quick and easy. And as you can see from the leaderboard, that's been going pretty hard this month. 942,705 BXT, which with the current Bitcoin price equals out to a little less than 1-to-1 Satoshi. Here you can see if you were to cash out 100,000 Satoshi, or excuse me, 100,000 BXT, you would receive 96,989 Satoshi. And if we go over and check our withdrawal history here, you can see that on September 11th, we requested a cash out for 312,000 Satoshi. And it was paid later on that night. And if we check out our Coinbase account. You can see there that we received that amount at the server time, which was 8 p.m. This was sent directly and instantly at server time, and we received that directly into our Coinbase account. As you can see, we completed our survey there. And we'll go ahead and show one more survey that we were able to complete in a relatively short amount of time. And if we go check our home screen here, you will actually see those two surveys right here. You can see we completed one at 10:43 p.m. and within 6 minutes we were done with the next one. And again, this amount shown here is with a 107% bonus included. We'll go ahead and pull up our withdrawal history page here, and you can see quite frequently, nearly every day, I was able to withdraw a pretty decent amount of Bitcoin each day, generally $10 or so, or even more. As on the 11th here, you can see we were over 100,000 Satoshi. On the 10th, we were close to 200,000 Satoshi, about 178,000 there. And the day before, about the same amount, so 2 days in a row, we were around $18 earned. And then here we were around another $10 day. And on the 12th, again, another $31 or $32, depending on the Bitcoin price. And just yesterday, another 97,000 Satoshi. So you see, this site is well worth your time. So anybody can do this. Anybody can get started and earn yourself some crypto for free. This is much better than any faucets or paid-to-clicks that you may have tried before, as this will help you earn an amount of crypto that on a faucet would take you months or even a year to make. What you can make here in a matter of minutes. So you have a really great opportunity to get started in cryptocurrency if you're not already, and get your feet wet and get started for absolutely no cost to you. And we'll take a look at the different offer walls. The top 4 that I see here are generally what works the best for me as far as available surveys with higher amounts and a better chance to complete the surveys. Sometimes you'll take a survey and your geographic information or your age or whatever it may be is not what they're looking for. And as you can see, we have finished the second survey there. And so within the amount of time that we did the video here today, we completed 2 surveys. So as you guys can see, it is quite easy. And I would highly recommend Buxify to anybody that's looking to earn crypto online. I will leave a link in the description, as well as pin a comment for the referral link, which is my direct referral link, and I will earn 10% of anything that you earn on Buxify. It's a great way to support the channel, and I appreciate it. That's going to just about wrap it up for us today, folks. Just wanted to give a big update on Buxify and how it's been going for me. It's been great, and I highly recommend this to anybody, especially during the times that we're in right now, where a lot of people are at home and have time to do something like this. I'm Bitcoin Case. I appreciate you watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's content, and I will see you next time.